very cheerful morning. Happy morning to all my little angels. How are you? Oh, fine. Say with a great smile, big smile. जब भी आप हैप्पी होते हो ना, सो व्हाट डू यू गिव अ बिग स्माइल, मस्त मस्त. और जब भी मैम खुश होती हैं तो आपका वर्क जब भी अच्छा होता है तो मैम आपको क्या देते हैं? शी गिव्स यू अ बिग स्माइल, है ना. एंड यू ऑल्सो फील हैप्पी, इजंट इट? ओह मैम, ये सब क्या कह रहे हैं? टुडेज टॉपिक इज कीप स्माइलिंग. व्हाट्स आवर टॉपिक? Keep smiling, and we will be doing this topic in value education. So myself Anjali ma'am will be teaching you value education, and today's topic is keep smiling. Okay dear students, before going to our topic, that is keep smiling, I would like to ask you something. Students, we'll go with the get going section. डू यू स्माइल एंड से गुड मॉर्निंग? आप स्माइल करके गुड मॉर्निंग विश करते हो अपने पेरेंट्स को, अपने मैम को? डू यू टेक ब्लेसिंग्स विथ अ स्माइलिंग फेस? यस. डू यू स्माइल एंड से गुड मॉर्निंग? यस, वेरी नाइस. आई एम ग्लैड टू नो दैट. डू यू स्माइल वाइल ग्रीटिंग समवन? आपके घर पे जब भी कोई गेस्ट आता है, व्हेन एवर एनी गेस्ट कम एट योर प्लेस, सो हाउ डू यू ग्रीट? आप ऐसे करके बोलते हो हेलो, हाउ आर यू? नो, यू ग्रीट देम विथ अ स्माइलिंग फेस. डू यू स्माइल बैक व्हेन समवन गिव्स यू स्माइल? जब भी आपको कोई सामने से स्माइल करता है, सो आप क्या कर लेते हो? हाउ डू यू शो योर एक्सप्रेशंस? लाइक दिस और लाइक दिस? यू हैव टू स्माइल. So, do you smile back when someone gives you a smile? Yes, we smile when someone gives us a smile. Okay, these are a small but important etiquettes that we should have. A smile is the best way to solve every problem. A smile is the best medicine in the world. ये क्या सीख थी? This is the moral. What is the moral of this chapter? That smile is the best medicine in the world. बच्चों, why it is important to learn moral science value education? Because moral science value education teaches us how to mingle in the living society. आपके आजू बाजू पड़ोस में, फैमिली में, how you have to get mingle with the people, so that moral science value education teaches us. Okay, so we will be doing the reading of this chapter with a smiling face. Are you ready? Okay. Moni the monkey was his grandpa's favorite. He always listened to his grandpa. Moni learned a lesson from grandpa. The name of the lesson was Keep Smiling. What was the name of that chapter? Yes, Keep Smiling. His grandpa would tell him, Moni, always smile at your friends and family. What his grandpa used to tell him? That Moni, always smile at your friends and family. Just smile at everyone and you will have friends around you. So many friends who will smile back at you. Moni asked one day, how can I smile if I fall down? Grandpa said, try to smile when you are in pain. It will hurt less. Moni always said, keep smiling to himself, and he grew up to become a happy monkey. His family loved him because his smile was so nice. Even when he had a problem, he would smile. If his friends had a problem, he would tell them, keep smiling. So Moni the monkey, what he learned from his grandpa? That whenever you have pain, if somebody hurts you, then also you should keep smiling. Moni, the monkey, gave you the lesson to smile. When your teacher gives you a smiley, you smile and say thank you. A smiley always smiles. A smiley always smiles. It smiles in your notebook. It smiles in your drawing book, and it makes you smile. So what do we learn from this chapter? That we should always keep smiling. If you get smiley in your notebook, in your drawing book, what does it shows? It shows that it's the notebook and the drawing book that the smiley is also smiling. Okay, let's read once again. A smiley always smiles. It smiles in your notebook. It smiles in your drawing book, and it makes you smile. Okay. So what do you learn from this chapter? See, smiley. In this way, ma'am gives you smiley in your notebook. जब भी आप बहुत अच्छा करते हो ना काम, when your work is very neat and clean, तो मैम क्या बोलते हैं? Oh, I will give you a smiley. Okay. So you should always keep smiling like the Moni the monkey. Okay. So I hope that you have understood the reading, and you will be doing the reading from this textbook lesson 1. Keep smiling. So it was all about the day from chapter 1. Keep smiling. God bless you. Happy learning, my dear students.